Guys, welcome back to our vlog. This is Yuri.
This is Yuki.
And today we're gonna buy our food. Let's go! Guys, we really need to get a payong. Maya na. Yuki's holding the payong in the wallet because I'm vlogging. Guys, we got things listed na here. Guys, there's a lot of kittens here.
Yeah.
Got here, guys.
Yeah.
Be a long walk.
Yes.
Malayo.
Longer from the tindahan.
Malayo pa kasi.
Tindahan. Look there. It's a long way.
Kami pupunta, guys. Ang layo
We're so
pa.
very far.
Na kami, guys.
Look there. Look there.
Lapit na kami, guys. Doon pa, guys.
Ipakita sila.
Guys, bimili kami doon. Wali naman. Guys, we just came back from the supermarket or tindahan. And we're gonna go home na. So, guys, ngit-ngit man diri na part. Kasi wala ay suga. So, bear with us. Naman, guys. We got our order na. Guys, ang among gipalit is matambaka, upat ka buok, and pechay na isa ka bugkot o kamatis. Duwa lang. Let's go! Uy, nung sumaka.
Loy. Kanina shield ako na nanik ko.
Ah, sige. Palit gapon, guys. Palit namin sa balang. Ganina pa siya gutom, guys. Mo nang ingana na siya. So, oops. Guys, kilat na. Need guys, and really need to go faster to go home, guys. Okay. Hadlok na mi, guys. Moment, guys, is mag-ulan na. So, magpaspas na mi, guys. Kaya nag-ulan na siya ng langit. Guys, mo nang try. Gusto niyo manghukod sa mo, guys. Pero, amos nang gibunalan, guys. Sa amig candy diri, guys. Na may baligya candy diri, guys. Bayad na siya. Ano mo, guys? Tara na. Ulit na ta. Ulan na. Asan payong?
Ambot.
Ulan yung payong, guys. Tanga kayo. Tara, mabalik na ta. Balik sa ni, guys. Dili yung payong, guys. Oh, sorry, ti, ha. Okay lang. Tara na. Tanga, Yuki ka ba? Yuki.
Sorry, good.
Mid na mo balik, guys. Na, guys. Sabaan na may bugi, kimi. Nagluto pa si mama. And so, don't forget to like and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification bell.
Yeah.
Bye. Thanks for watching.